Hey guys, what's going on? I got another video here with Stevewilldoit and Vegas Matt. And before we get into it, you guys, again, you guys got to understand, I just love watching this stuff. And if you don't, and I know some of these videos might be old or maybe a few days old, you know, I totally get it. And I'm not, like, there's some videos I want to watch all the way through, and there's some I don't. Like, this video is a great example. This is Vegas Matt and Stevewilldoit playing slots, and I really don't want to watch them playing slots. I don't want to watch a screen just go down, down, down. There's no real skill, you know, but at the same time, I like to watch them play blackjack. So we're going to watch this video. Again, if it's something you've already seen, please, you know, go and move on. But, you know, this is just something that I like to watch. If you like to watch it with me, plus I like to see, you know, crazy Uncle Tim or, you know, some other guy randomly trying to give advice that, you know, I just butt in and put my opinion in. So yeah, if you guys don't like it, go somewhere else, and you know, if you do, subscribe, and you know, let's get into it.
Yeah, we play little slots every day.
Yeah, I like the game. It's entertaining.
You live?
Thank you. Yeah, we're having a lot of fun. It's crazy this weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you guys watched my other video that I posted
last night?
All right, guys.
Yeah, I came
a little earlier, remember
Chad,
this is
Oh, we're live.
let me take this off
okay.
too. I forgot
All right, Chad,
about
we're with Vegas Matt.
What's up,
We
chat?
are about to destroy the Redrock Casino.
They're gonna have to go
right
out of
now.
business.
Yeah, this is Super Bowl weekend.
What are we gonna get?
There's a lot of people here, and if you watch the other video too,
Yeah.
you know, if you guys go to Stevewilldoit, like on Kick and his
Let's
YouTube
go.
channel,
Let's do it.
I think Dana's there in the back
Chad, how's it going? How
playing
you guys
blackjack,
Are you guys happy? Dude,
Yeah.
and
hold on. I want to introduce Chat.
there's just a ton of people there.
You good? Steve, can you meet Chat? This is my good friend Steve. Dangerous Baccarat player. Amazing person.
Dude, I love the fact
Hey,
that Steve's
Steve.
got so many like old friends, or so many friends, excuse me,
Dude,
that are like young
guy
and old.
lives the life. When I'm his age, I want to be in a wheelchair betting hundreds of thousands of dollars on Baccarat, and I could die happy. Sure.
All these kids got the same haircut. Have you guys noticed that?
Guys,
Like they got a mop on top of their head, and then the shaved sides.
thank
I
you
don't know,
guys
maybe
so
I'm
much.
maybe I'm getting old and I need
Guys, you
to
gotta meet my friend T-Bone.
get in the
T-Bone,
times.
I met him in Los Cabos, Mexico, and he's a full-time slot player. He had weed and he had Happy Dad, so then we hit it off.
come with a care package, you know. Don't, if you're gonna come down, come with a care package or don't come at all, man.
Are you in on the slots with us?
Oh, he's in.
Oh, there's
in?
Vitaly's in the
Don't
back
think it's a little
too.
percent- No, not like that.
I love how the
He's
Vitaly has
in,
turned
it's
into a
on my
groupie.
cut.
Uh,
So, dude, it's so funny.
Steve
the
paid
last
off his
2
debt.
years, I've acquired maybe 5 friends, all through gambling.
yeah, it's
I've
crazy.
never made a friend that isn't through gambling.
Gamblers are the best.
Oh, they're the best, dude.
Yeah, they're all
Honest
degenerates.
bunch, the gamblers.
Vegas Matt's actually pretty cool. I don't know if you guys have seen him, obviously, on this channel, but
who does that?
Yep.
and to give you guys some backstory too, you know, this channel used to be a
I
bunch of
love
like beard
gambling.
videos that I did, and I stumbled
You do.
upon
I love gambling.
like online
You do it every
gambling and
day?
blackjack, which I have been
Oh,
a
yeah.
passion,
Yeah.
like a
Because if
kid.
I'm not here,
When I was a kid, I loved
Yeah.
playing it. Like, I don't know if you guys remember Vegas Stakes on SNES. Oh my God, hours and hours and days and days and months and months.
Videos. They deleted me for gambling. Now I'm a full-time gambler. It's like, thank you, YouTube. You've made my dreams come true. I'm a full-time gambler. It's so funny because it's so true.
Yeah, thanks YouTube. I do appreciate
All right,
you
guys.
for making my dreams come true.
I'm such a dickhead, but I need a player's card and fast pay.
And fast pay. Hey, while he's getting ready and he's doing this, because
look
I think
great.
we're gonna scroll through a little bit, but if you guys haven't seen the interview with Dana White and Bob,
Both you guys.
I think it's Menery and Kyle. It's a great podcast, and it really dives in deep about like
Kevin Amanda. Guys, what do you guys
Steve's
think about Kevin
and
Amanda?
We're great.
Kyle and Dana's relationship.
W's.
Because it's crazy, you know. Dana obviously has his UFC events, or I'm sorry, his UFC business. You know, he's got his new slot business, but like this gambling, streaming gig that a lot of these kids are doing on the side,
Saying W's. He said this
have
guy's been
opened
to
up a
Epstein
little
Island, but that's
like vulnerability into
That's what this
like
guy
Dana's
said.
life. It's pretty cool. And when you guys watch,
Oh,
the,
you
like,
saved
I'm not
it.
going to spoil it for you, but if you guys do watch the, if you guys do watch that interview or that podcast, I really like the fact that Dana's just about like, dude, I love the kid Steve. Sometimes Steve gets a little unhinged and he can just play for 48 hours, and I'm just there to be his friend to tell him to stop. But it's also the fact that like they don't count money; they're there just to help and be friends, and it's not about the money. It's about them just having fun and supporting each other. Because like Steve will call up Dana at 2 a.m. and be like, dude, I need help. I'm like 30 grand in.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, we both sit.
Anyway. Yeah, win more. Oh, this one don't work either. These tickets aren't working. Let's
I'm just not a big slots fan, you guys.
Like this or not?
There just is no skill. All right, let's see if there's any gambling here. I mean, blackjack. All right, let's
We're
watch.
down 21,000.
All right, so we're down 21,000. Let's see if I can get this going just for fun.
All right.
Just because I want to be
We're
consistent.
down 21,000. We're down a little bit. Down a little bit. Oh. Good to see you. Great to see you.
And another thing too, like I said in the beginning, if
What are you doing?
this video is gonna be more about like.
Good to see you. Good to see you guys. Nope. Not at all.
I just like watching this with you guys. That's all it is. I'm just here to hopefully
all right.
come with some entertainment. If you like me or not, I don't care. I like watching the backstories and the drama that's in the back. And some of it's fun. Like there are some really good hands that come out. Like Steve played. He got pocket pair or not pocket pair. God, I'm thinking poker.
Good to see you.
He got a pair of nines. Dealer was showing like an 8 or something, or even a 10. Splits them.
No, I lost 21.
He got another 9. Splits that again. I think he rolled it up to like another 20, 30 grand. It was awesome.
Vince, you have the chips? All right, chat.
Like I love that stuff. I love the swings.
Yep, we are down. What do you guys think? Yeah,
I love the dealers. Sherry's the best.
You're at 17. Welcome, Steve. Welcome. Stay.
That's Tyler, I think his
I'm
name
gonna jump
is.
in right in. I'm gonna do 1 5K at the start.
Let's just hope the cameraman does a good job like looking at the cards.
Oh, dude, we fucked that up.
Good luck, Steve. Good luck, Steve.
Oh, that's it. There's not it.
Is it Tyler? God, I forget his name. But the guy that's sitting next to him with the mustache in that last video that I did on that split, he's like, dude, here, I'll put in an extra 10 grand for you to split them.
Shit.
And again, that's just, dude, they're there just to win, have a good time, and help each other out. I love it.
Come on, chat.
I'm not in about it for the drama. Like Steiny, the little guy, when he gets drunk, I used to be an alcoholic, and the worst thing that I hated were being around other people that were drinking. I was a closet drinker. I didn't like being around other people. But I'm 4 years sober, so if you guys are out there struggling with alcohol, I feel you. Go to an AA meeting. Another good show to watch, since I'm rambling off, is Louder Milk on Netflix. I popped up
And I'm getting 4Ts, 50.
on Netflix. And I love the main character.
All right. Yeah.
I love his actor. As an actor, he's a great character.
Down a lot. Down 40.
Oh, he's down 40 now. Dude just goes from one to the other.
Why did you do that? Or wait, oh shit! I should have been here. All right.
You should have. You should only be playing Baccarat, buddy.
No, I do like Baccarat.
All right. Yeah.
I'm learning it. I'm getting better at it. Because we got to get closest to 9, right?
5. 7.
Oh.
All right, guys, we won that.
Oh my God.
Fuck. Same hand. It's the same hand. No, there's no way. I actually lost this. That's a 4. Damn, I should have went player. Could I have a 40? It's definitely a player shoe, right?
It's definitely a player shoe.
It was. Now I'm waiting for the banker to catch up.
How's the chat been?
Which one?
Steve's.
Dude.
Dude, this is gonna get ugly quick.
Yeah, sure. He invited that. Yeah. We got a calm
Good.
I think it's a. What do you guys think? Chat, what do you guys think? Dude, that was the fastest.
Well, no joke, dude. When you're playing high limits like that, of course it's going to be the fastest.
So that's 15 with EJ.
No, I'm down 40.
I want to know that guy's name. He's pretty cool, actually. I like him. He's very chill. I think he's like Steve's money handler.
Right away. Can I have a hundreds on one? Or 4,000s and a hundreds?
I try, I just never have.
I think it's going to be a player run.
Yeah, he's gonna get even and then
Yes.
we're gonna-
Yes, exactly.
I'm doing 10K on player.
Let me start doing some like Sam Sulik.
Guys, I'm doing 10K on player. Right out
I
player. What do you guys
love
think?
I love listening to
You have a lighter?
Sam
To get closest to mine. So,
and his philosophical ideas of life and working out. Gosh, it's like blackjack and roulette combined.
if it's a 7 and a 3,
Yeah.
9, 8.
Dude, that was so shitty. Bro, how bad is this?
Yeah, his shoulders look like mine, by the way. And I'm not, well, yeah, maybe a little muscular like that, but bro, that shoulder acne, it's legit.
I tried it last night. It's pretty good.
38 years old and it's still causing me problems. Just want to knock it out.
I know, right? All right, guys, we lose this, we're done.
did we get put in?
Does it ever feel like he's at a,
Yeah, do you have a lighter?
he's at one of those like kid fun centers where you get a bunch of tokens?
Holy shit, buddy.
She got a 17 or an 18?
Bro,
Oh, you want a player? Nope, nope.
oh my
nope,
God.
nope,
We literally
and
lost
nope.
all that.
Last one.
All right, well,
He's
that's
down
it.
80.
That's it. That's the end of the stream.
That was quick. That was a quick one.
Dude, just lost 40 so fast.
Yeah.
Just deal it.
I am going to try to do that. I don't see a lot of
That was
other
15,000.
YouTubers doing that. I'm going to try to keep his debt and his current amount better. Like right now, I could be probably doing a better job. I think like right now he's got, what are those, 5, 10, 15,
Should've
20?
did the
He's probably
tie
got
for
20.
fucking 3,000.
10, 20, yeah.
You kidding me?
He's getting shit.
All right, this is the last one. This is huge. What do you have?
Damn.
The same thing. Bro, how's that even possible? Bro, how's that possible?
You mean like all those cigarette packs that you have? Ugh.
Yeah, but it's gonna be its
I used to
fucking
smoke
10,
those in
bro.
college.
It's 3.
Actually, Camel Lights.
I'm just done.
Down 80.
Down 80.
I do have to say, I am pretty darn good at keeping tabs.
Can we extend it by 100?
I will be able to call for you.
You got a call. All right, that's the end of the stream. I love you guys.
So
Love you guys.
quick. So quick.
It was break.
So quick, you guys. So quick. But that's how it goes. Yeah, I just wanted to say again that I'm going to do a little better job on keeping tabs on not only like the debt, how much he's currently at, but giving you guys a little more info on kind of like backstories and stuff, because I do like the fact how like Dana, like even like Vitaly's coming in now, so there's going to be like a big trifecta effect going on with a lot of these guys, because I wouldn't be surprised like with Aiden and Cody from Exposed. Like I think there's going to be, which I think would be cool. I just thought of a great idea, you guys. Like why not have this as an event? I'm going to leave it at that. You guys like, subscribe like always, and I'll talk to you guys on the next one. See ya.